Cleaver of Destiny.
Giao chặt thịt tới rồi.
Whoa. Nose to tail.
You've come to the right place.
Oh, including feet?
Oh, I love sucking on some feet.
Me too, in this economy.
Yeah, hard times.
Ran, the coolest butcher in town.
Ooh,
I
yeah.
think with the hat backwards.
Yep, that's how I roll.
Hey,
Yep.
when people think beef, they think like mince, steak, but there's so much more to the cow.
Oh, of course.
What are some other things that we should be eating?
The tendon, so good when you cook it for a long time.
Yeah,
and
nice.
even the collagen from like the skin.
For that complexion.
Yeah,
that's why
that's
your
right.
mom looks so young.
Oh, yeah, that's the secret.
I'm sucking up
Yeah.
now. That's why your mom looks so young. What else should I eat?
And also the stomach too.
Tripe, underrated.
Yeah, that's right,
You know, my dad used to tell my friends that tripe was calamari. So
Yeah.
what about the tail? My
tail?
favorite part of the
yeah.
cow is the tail.
It is very good.
Little
Cooking it a long
bones.
time, like it just falls off the bone.
Yum, I'm getting hungry. So tonight we're coming into summer. It's
Yep.
hot weather. I'm just gonna cook like a Thai style beef salad.
All right, yeah.
What do you think I should use?
So for a beef salad, yeah, so you could use the top side. It's a bit cheaper.
What if I like these people?
Oh,
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I'll go for the eye fillet. If
The
you want
eye
something
fillet?
really
Yeah, to
tender.
impress.
Yeah, that's
A little
right.
bit fancy.
Yeah. The flank steak, not much people like know about it. Yeah, I think it has a lot of like flavor, but you need to cook it really quickly.
It's just like,
Yeah.
yeah, okay. So I think what I'll get
Yep.
is the eye fillet
Yep.
and some flank. I want to try it.
Yeah, should give both a go.
Two pans going.
Yeah. Oh,
That's what I'm
same
going to
time.
do.
Oh.
Yeah.
Eye fillet versus flank.
So I'm going to make two salads because Ran told me about the flank and I'm going to compare them. So this has got to be like super fine. Now, chilies. They always say, do you want it Thai spicy or do you want it like Aussie spicy? And Aussie spicy, let's face it, means weak. Really spicy. So limes, pickle the onion. Fish sauce. Shikran shake sesame oil. Look at this, this looks good. Now I think we cook the beef. So this is gonna be my flank pan and eye fillet pan. I'm gonna take these guys off though. I get to. All right, we rest. Everything looks better with leaves, right? Like I do say salad, but it's mostly just meat. Eye fillet, nicely sliced. And here, you just put in. Okay. Eye fillet salad done. Now, the flank, which looks beautiful. Nailed it. The flank, my secret weapon. That's really good. Okay, eye fillet. Also delicious. Texture-wise, that's really nice. But this has the flavor. This is winning for me. They're my beef salads. This is the eye fillet beef salad and the flank beef salad, which is new and I loved it. Thanks, Cleaver of Destiny, you big old weirdo.